We came across one issue. Arlene only wants to make one pizza.
We can split it.
I don't think I split things.
Heard that in Italy they just throw it in the air and when it comes back down it's a pizza. You ready?
And I over here have my buddy Rubicon. What do you think, Ruby? You're a fan of it or not really?
He's ready for today's episode for sure.
Let's do it.
What is going on? Welcome everybody. For those of you just tuning in, my name is Arlene. This is my JKU.
And my name is Greg. I drive that better Rubicon than that JKU TJ over there.
Moving on, if you're new to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check us out on Instagram at Garage Couple.
We post videos every week, either installing parts on the Jeep, doing reviews, going camping, and like on today's episode, we are gonna show you our newest gadget that we are so excited to test trial here, and then more so take with us camping, and all the possibilities are endless.
All right, Greg, so what is that product you're talking about?
Why don't you talk to these folks about it?
If you can't tell, you guys, today we are gonna be showing you the Camp Chef pizza oven along with the accessory kit. Now, a little bit of background, we absolutely love cooking, especially on our camping trips. And one cuisine we haven't really dipped our toes into on these trips is making pizzas. Now, we looked around and we saw absolutely incredible reviews on the Camp Chef pizza oven, so we are excited to try it out today.
Now, the cool thing about this unit is it's very versatile. It runs on the 1 pound propane tank, or you could also use those larger ones. It comes with an adapter to do so. Other cool things about this pizza oven, you don't actually have to make pizza with it. You could also use it as an oven and cook fish. You could cook anything else, meats, potatoes, whatever else that you would like. So why don't we unbox this thing, and then we'll talk to you guys about the features as we set it up.
Before we get started, if you noticed, these are our new merch. We've worked really hard to design something super cool for you guys that you would absolutely be proud to rock. Make sure to check it out on our website, www.garagecouple. www.garagecouple.
Wow.
Garage, www.
We should just change it to couple. It's way more natural that way.
GarageCouple.com. Now, to unbox.
Let's do it. What are you waiting for? Open it.
Waiting for you.
Let's get those scissors going.
Help me out, Greg.
Did you just say it? Help me, oh Greg.
Help me out, Greg.
Wow. Imagine just falls over. Oh, there goes the. Oh, nice. What's this?
We're about to find out, huh?
All right, why don't we put that on the side there? Looks like we got some instructions. Our adapter over there. Grab these guys, anything. Regulator.
Temperature, regular gauge.
Wow. Wow.
Wow, okay,
Wow.
relax,
Wow.
relax. Is this for real?
What a good size.
You want to see my new pizza oven, Greg?
That's not yours.
From
it's
Camp
mine.
Chef, I just got it.
Are you kidding?
All right.
Arlene, a little eager to go ahead and assemble this thing.
Eager beaver.
I can't wait to have Hawaiian pizza this early in the morning.
Is it morning?
Well, it's a morning o'clock. Notice all of the venting here on the sides. Here's the rear. We're gonna assemble this as we go, but why don't we talk to you about features real quick?
I'm just taking a look. Came with a catalog, you guys. It came with a cooking guide and instructions to put it together.
Oh, good. I need all 3 of those. Can't wait to put this thing together.
Me too.
So talk to me. There's nothing I like more than unpackaging new toys to play with. I can't wait to try this out, and we're so lucky we get to try it out.
I'm just ready to make the pizza, Greg. You're
Well,
the builder, I'm the cook.
So this is the stone that is used to simulate like wood fire, make pizza making. I mean, wood firing is nice, but dang, it's very inconvenient. This thing is really heavy. I'd guess like 10 pounds or so. All right, let's assemble. Why don't you walk us through it? Here's the temperature gauge. I'm guessing this just pokes in. It has a prong. We're just gonna push it through. I guess what we'll do is we'll unscrew it. We'll push it through, and then from the inside we're gonna thread it. So it has a piece of thread just like so. Now while we have this going, we have our bread and our toppings already ready. We're letting the bread rise. Why don't we skip to that footage and then come back right back here.
Got some flour, got some salt, and some olive oil.
We came across one issue. Arlene only wants to make one pizza.
We can split it.
I don't think I split things. I could double check, but
Maybe check the Carfax.
that is a piece of ham. We are going for a Hawaiian style. We're gonna do barbecue sauce, pineapple, ham, and to top it off, red onion.
How's it going right there?
We have our pizza crust here. Was pretty straightforward. 1 packet of yeast, 2 cups of flour, a cup of warm water, some oil,
Couple kisses.
couple kisses here and there, some salt, some sugar for the yeast to do its thing, and
Alrighty.
look at all these toppings.
It's gonna be delicious. This is pretty straightforward. All you had to do was unscrew the little knob looking thing on the back, pull it through. There's perfectly put holes there for you. Next, we're just gonna unscrew.
These 2 Phillips on the front, and we are gonna place the rack that comes with it.
Which is that gentleman? Show us the gentleman.
This gentleman right over here.
What happened?
So Arlene came up to me earlier and she's like, Greg, I did one thing right. And she showed me this handle that she put on backwards.
So what, I got excited. Is there a problem, Greg?
No problem. Just peace.
Just peace. Peace and love, baby.
Alright, once we put in, it's called the heat deflector, we're gonna put in the wire rack. So it should slide right in, and that it did. The next thing we're gonna put in is this heavy stone. Doesn't look like it matters which way, so why don't we go ahead and just plop it in there. Looks like it's in.
Like I said, Greg is supposed to put it together, and I'm gonna make the pizza.
So we are gonna set this pepperoni up to use the larger propane tank. Ruby heard me say pepperoni. So what we're gonna do here is coming back here towards the rear of the device, we're just gonna go ahead and thread this in. Just make sure you tighten it all the way here. This is the pressure regulator. And then we're gonna get our hose, which is this guy. And we're gonna go ahead and just screw this in. Just like so.
Next, connect the propane tank.
And it's time for ignition. So excited for this part. Let's see how quickly we're able to do it. I heard it. I heard it. Just hold it on high for a moment. Wow, I feel the heat.
And Greg, how long does it say it takes to heat up?
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
And it is 15 or 17,000 BTU, which is a lot of British thermal units for this American thermal piece of equipment. So,
hey, why don't we open up the accessory box while this heats up?
I'm gonna just go ahead and close our door there, and let's open this box.
I'll be opening it. All right, pizza kit.
So cool. So cool.
The excitement.
Our Italia branded pizza cutter. We have a larger pizza cutter. Just kidding. Spatula. And 2 wooden pizza holders. Or fan. In case
I was
it's
thinking
hot.
the same.
Love that we both thought about fan at the same time. Why don't we get the pizza ready?
Let's do it.
Pizza. It has been less than 2 minutes and we are already at 300 degrees. This thing is amazing. Now the ignition system was pretty straightforward, just like any other propane system. The rotary knob turns really easily and it fired up without any fuss or issue. There's 3 modes, high, medium, and low. I'm gonna keep it on high for now. All right, let's get the party started. Why don't you put some flour on that pizza board over there? Yep, now just spread that out with your hand. Okay, open the dough, grab about half of it, and make your pizza crust.
Did you show them the dough you made? Look at this thing.
I could smell the yeast. Yum.
Alrighty.
Grab about half or a third of that.
The texture right now.
Do I get a sample? Oh wow. So put a little flour on your hands.
I thought about that.
Knead it out a little bit and go ahead and roll it open.
Make some more room.
Put those on your fenders that we just recently installed.
Alright. Are you ready? Because I am.
Let's do it.
You want thin crust or a little bit of a thicker pizza?
Let's do thin.
Alright.
That looks great.
Thank you so much.
Let's go ahead and we'll work on making it a...
Maybe it's a calzone.
I'm gonna have to redo it. I'm sorry. I messed it up for you.
I heard that in Italy they just throw it in the air and when it comes back down it's a pizza. You ready?
Boom, pizza. My turn to do the good stuff. So for Hawaiian, we're gonna start out with a little bit of barbecue sauce, maybe a lot of it.
Hey, what's going on?
I wish I had a spoon. Just use my fingers. Didn't have to use my fingers.
No, you didn't.
All right, let's get the sauce on there.
Let me get a close-up of that sauce rotation.
Sauce rotation.
All about the foot
That
to
is
the
why I
wrist.
married you. All right, next up, we're gonna put only the best. This comes from Costco warehouse. It is Kirkland branded. I hear the Kirkland cows just move a little differently. A little bit of ham. A little bit of red onion.
It's a lot of bitter red onion.
Some pineapple chunks. And now, time to send her off. How am I supposed to put this in there without it flying off?
Just a little shaky, shaky, shake.
I don't know. Oh, maybe that's the... Where's that other tool? A little bit of a struggle bus here. We didn't put enough flour on the bottom, so now it doesn't come off easily. All right. Let's see what we could do here.
The pizza is in and we are so excited. So obviously, first attempt at pizza might not look so cute. So we're gonna try a second one, maybe get a little more circular while the other is in the oven. How long are we waiting, Greg?
Let's check. I think it's pretty hot. Oh wow, look at that. We're almost there.
I mean, it looks good.
It looks good. I mean, it doesn't look great, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good. All right, so now that we get a lot more flour into the mix,
I'm gonna drop it.
a little bit more. What a difference a little bit of flour makes. This is round 2.
Oh wow, okay. Lesson learned.
Wow.
Still looks delish.
More of a calzone. Wow, listen to that crust. First bite goes to the wife.
Thank you so much. Ah, hold on, it's too hot, too hot, too hot. Give it a minute.
Wow, look at that. Look at the bottom. Look at this. That was 5 minutes, guys. Mmm.
I think I'm ready.
Mmm.
Cheers, but I mean, you already had your bite.
I couldn't wait. Oh my god. That crust?
Wow.
What is going on?
Wow. This is number 2. Check the temperature. Look at that bubble, you guys. I love when pizza bubbles. It aerates, builds some air in the crust.
What's left?
Alrighty, you guys, this is the second round and it looks way better, but I'm sure it tastes the exact same and just as good. So, while we're getting into this, Greg, why don't you help me cut it up?
Do you want to try to cut it? Go ahead and give it a nice little press.
Wow, that crunch, you're right. Alrighty, well.
And one more down the middle. Push, 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 push. There you go. Why don't we give it a taste test?
All right.
Let's see the bottoms. It's still probably
Still
super
so hot. Hot.
Wow, look at that, perfect. What's going on? Struggling?
Well, while our pizza cools off, thank you all for coming along for the ride. If you like what you see here, we'll drop the link below to the product. The pizza tastes absolutely amazing. It was easy to assemble, and it's actually really easy to move around. So if you want this at the house, camping, RVing, tailgating, whatever it is.
Tailgating, that would be so cool.
So fun,
Can you
right?
imagine having a pizza making station with some beers at a tailgate?
There'd be like a line waiting for us.
Wow.
Thank you all for watching this episode. If you like what you see here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Garage Couple, and we'll see you on our next episode.
See you on the next one. Cheers, everyone.
Time for more pizza for breakfast. It's 9 a.m.